Hey beauties, welcome back to another quarantine tutorials. There's a product that I have been seeing on my Facebook page a few times and my Instagram page and all that good stuff. So I figured this is a great time to try. I took a quick quiz and it helped me to discover my color match. It also recommended their primer, and once I got it home, it came within like a week. But once I got it home, I was very, very impressed. And so I wanted to bring it to you today. I wanted to first try El Maquillage. This is the primer, and it's the No Filter Poreless Base Smoothing Primer. It looks like that. So I'll put a little bit of that on. I'm gonna give it 2 pumps. The gist of this product is try it for 14 days, and if you don't like it, send it back. El Maquillage, here's the foundation, and it's the Woke Up Like This foundation. And I'm in the color 225, if that helps any of my chocolate girls out there. It does go a long way. I did a color swatch here yesterday when I got it, and I gotta say it was a really good match. I'm gonna start with 1 pump. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this definitely goes a long way. Okay, and just blend that in. I did choose that I liked a buildable coverage, and I needed some anti-aging. I'm 41 years old. So as much anti-aging as I can get is great for me. And I wanted something that will make me look poreless because I do have bigger pores. And so it walks you through your undertone. It walks you through your overall color. And it was spot on. It also asked what other foundations I use or have used. Because I know the colors and textures that I like, it was really easy for me to just kind of put something in their system, and then they came up with this foundation. So I do like the foundation. The primer, I can do without. I have primers. And I'm trying really hard to navigate around my hair that I just blow dried and straightened, because I haven't seen my hair in a while. I still need to curl it too. I'll probably either do finger curls, or more than likely I'll end up with the flexi rods, but whatever. Foundation is on and looks great. Let's move on. So the look we're doing today may be a little strange, but maybe it'll help you be creative while we're in quarantine. Today we're gonna go with a date night look, or something that you can do while you're at home, and maybe you have a picnic in your living room, or sit across from each other with a romantic dinner, get dressed up, throw in a quick face, something pretty that you can do, and go from there. So I hope you enjoy it. So I'm gonna start off with my brows, of course. There's so much noise going on outside. I have no idea what's happening. I thought everybody was supposed to stay in their house. Disturbing my quarantine peace. So next I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna go back to my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and I'm gonna put that right under the eye. Now you can go full beat, it's your business, you know, if you want to do it. You can go full beat. You might be in the house, but you know, it might be worth it. But the point is, obviously, to make you feel better. And we're quarantined. Maybe you haven't been out on a date and you want to, or if you're a single girl like me, this makes you feel good. You could throw on a cute outfit and just kind of sit down and have a really nice dinner with yourself. So next, I'm going to set my under eye concealer with my Fenty powder in the shade Honey. And now that my concealer is set, I'm gonna set my foundation. Today, I'm going to use Beauty Bakery's Flower, and that's in the color of brown. Here's a little trick that I like to do. I'll get the powder on my brush, and then I'll swirl it around in my hand, and then blend it out. Because I'm just doing my foundation, I don't need a lot of product, but it helps me to concentrate the color where I want it and just give me more of a blown out look. Okay, next I'm gonna put on my bronzer. Once your base is set and you're comfortable with the coverage and the contour and highlight that you have going, now it's time to start your eye makeup. So today, I'm actually gonna use my NYX Proof It, my eyeshadow base, but I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of my concealer because I want my lids to be flat. So you go ahead and you have those two there together, mix them up, so this will be like your little palette, and then put it on your eyes. This not only makes your shadow safe and on your eye, but it also makes sure that there's no other color on there. So it's just a flat color, just the color of your skin, and it'll help to bring out your shadow just a little bit more. So for today's look, I wanted something fun and flirty and just really pretty. So I was inspired by this palette here from ColourPop, and it's the Flutter By palette. And as you can see on the outside, there's a lot of gold and glitter and different shades of purple and lilac and lavender. So I wanted to use this palette today for our date night look. Yay! So to start, I'm gonna take this color here called Cha Cha Changes. And that's gonna be my transition color, and it's gonna go right in my crease. I'm gonna rock that back and forth. Again, your transition color gives you a really nice backdrop to your whole entire look. Next, I'm gonna go with this color here, and it's called Angel BB. And I'm gonna take my 217 brush from MAC and go right here into the outer corner and just blend that out. So if you start with just a little color, kind of examine where you are and how deep you want that color to be, and then build it from there. Don't go in with a ton of color, then you have to try and blend that out. Start small, and then you can build it from there. It is so windy outside, oh my God. I want to take that same color, Angel BB, and just bring it down here to your lower lash line. We're just gonna start now to build the definition around the eye. And it's all about details as well. So go with your blending brush and blend that out so you don't have any harsh lines. Once you have that right where you want it, it's time to move on to another color. So right now I'm gonna go into this color here, right at the top, and it's called Just Imagine. What I like about ColourPop is you don't have to dig into the colors. It's like really good payoff to all these colors. Can't go wrong that way. So I have that eye set. I'm gonna go back and blend. So I'm gonna blend as I go. And if you notice, I didn't go all the way down here to this corner because I'm reserving that for another color. But for now, just blend again. Blend as you go. And if you must, you can go right back into Cha Cha Changes and blend that color on your inner crease. Now take your defining brush, and there's a color here called Float On. You want to use that for your outer corner. So this look can be as dark or as light as you want it. It's your date night, it's your business, it's your choice. Do what makes you feel better, okay? So to make my look pop just a little bit more, I'm going to add my liquid liner. This one is by e.l.f. And speaking of eyeliner, something that's totally optional, I have another eyeliner and I thought about it after the fact, but this one is from YSL and it's the Couture 11. It's gray, but it also has like a little flecks in there, like light flecks. So I want to put that on as well. I'm all about details, so anything that I can do to add to my look to bring it out more, I'm all for it. Okay, so for my last little bit of glimmer and shimmer, I'm going to add this color here, which is called Overpacked. And I don't know if you can really see it, but there's a lot of glitter and glam in there. So I want that. And I'm just gonna, you can put it wherever you want. Mine is gonna go right here in the middle of my eye. Just right in the center. You can also wet your brush with either water or your setting spray. Don't make it wet, just spray. One spray is perfect. And then go into your color. So now I want to go back into this Just Imagine right here and take my shadow brush and just run a little bit of that in the inner corner and up to the lid. We're gonna go back and blend it, so it'll look crazy in the beginning, but we'll blend it. So now blend. And if you need to, you can add more detail around the eye on the outer corner. Just fix it up the way you feel that you get it to where you want it. And what are some ideas that you have that'll help your date night with yourself or a significant other? Share in the comments below. Okay, give me blush. I need blush. Blush, darling. So this one is just horrendous. Don't laugh at me, don't judge me. But this is called Plum Foolery, of course. I've hit pan because I love this one so much. But it's called Plum Foolery. I'm gonna add that to my cheeks. And so since this quarantine started, I've been shopping in my own makeup arsenal, if you want to call it that. And of course I found something I haven't seen in forever and I'm like, oh my God, I love this. So I need to use it. And this is called Rockateur. It's kind of a blush, but for my complexion it's a highlight, obviously. I'm going to spray my brush. And then I'm gonna add that highlight right here. Something fun and flirty. Give him something to look at across the dinner table. Or if you're like me, you just know it's there. Do it for you, girl, do it for you. Next, I'm going to apply my mascara. Now, if you don't wear lashes, that's fine. But as for me and my house, that's what we do. We serve the Lord in lashes. Okay. So I don't want anything too big, just fun and flirty. I'm in the house, so I won't put on a huge lash. So with that being said, I'm gonna put on my Natalie lashes by Key Cosmetics. So I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. All right, lashes are on. Let's move on to the lip. So I'm gonna use my current lip liner from MAC and I'm just gonna line my lips with that. And then of course, I always want to highlight a Black owned brand. So shout out to the Sherelle shop, and this color is in Halo. And of course, I love just a little bit of shimmer on the lips as well. So I'm gonna use Brilliant Effects Gloss by Black Radiance. There's no color on here. Yeah, there's no color, but it's just a really pretty purple sparkle color. Ooh. Okay, beauties, that's your final look. How do you like it? So I'm gonna head into my dining room and eat my dinner that I prepared for myself. If you are quarantined with someone that you love, I hope that you enjoy your night and I hope that they enjoy your look. Feel free to like, subscribe, share my page, get the book. All of the details that you need are in the description box below. And if you follow me on Instagram, there's a link in my bio to access all of the information that you need. Make the best out of this quarantine if you're single or with a significant other. And you never know, us single girls can find someone special once this quarantine is over. Have a great night. Bye.